Hello friend, this is 2010 model Camry, Toyota Camry compressor. I bring from junkyard. I fit in a car but it is not working at all. I check where is the problem. First we open this bolt and check oil inside. If the oil is clean, okay, we can repair this. If the oil is black or rusty, it is not can be repaired. Let's we open and check. The oil is clean and shiny. It can be repaired. It is only problem of this compressor. This solenoid switch. This is clutchless compressor. No coil inside. This is only this solenoid. We open and check what's problem in this switch. First we remove this lock, then remove the switch. This is the switch. I open from this place. The seal is damaged. You see, too much big. We clean and back and checks what's okay or not okay. But this is the problem of the seal problem. You see, this is the seal. The seal is too rusty. We change a new one and clean everything back. I open and put in a petrol for few minutes. Clean. And change the new seal after a clean and check what's the result. Now I change this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put oil and check. Now the job is done.